This video is intended to be a guideline for proper maintenance techniques for Tarkett products. For complete details, refer to the complete installation instructions for your product. Thoroughly vacuum the area with multiple passes in both directions to remove dry soil. Fill the rinse tank of the carpet extractor with clean water only. In some cases, the use of an acid rinse may be appropriate to return the cleaned area to a neutral pH. Apply an approved cleaning solution, such as Tarkett's Cyan 5, to the area as a pretreatment. Always select cleaning chemistry and equipment from the Carpet & Rug Institute Seal of Approval program list. Always follow the chemical manufacturer's label instructions for dilution ratio. Immediately mechanically agitate with a twin cylindrical counter-rotating brush agitation device, such as the XL North Accelerator and the Whittaker iCapsule. The proper denier of thickness of the bristles of counter-rotating brush equipment is essential to the care and preservation of the fiber of the soft surface product. The equipment manufacturer should be consulted to help determine the correct brush configuration for the textile. Allow the agitated solution to dwell for 5 to 10 minutes, or as recommended by the manufacturer of the cleaning agent. Do not allow the cleaning solution to dry before proceeding to the next step. Using the hot water extractor, extract thoroughly to rinse and remove the cleaning agent and suspended soil. Continue to rinse and extract until the recovery water runs clear. Finish with dry passes using the extractor to remove as much moisture as possible from the carpet. Use air movers to expedite drying time. Limit foot traffic on the carpet until the floor is completely dry.